What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the Daily Car Guy. Welcome back to the garage. Today we're gonna be taking it outside, but there's a lot of stuff going around with the new Coppa laws, and I haven't really seen any car channels talk about this, and I think in recent developments and readings I did, it also might affect car channels, but I'm gonna be talking at the end of the video about it, so I'm gonna link a time in the description to where it starts if you're just here to see that. But first I'm gonna take the car out and I wanna show all of you guys, so from subscriber 1 to where we are now, because in recent developments I gained a few and I really saw a nice line going up, so thank you to all of you guys who decided to subscribe to me, and be sure to keep following and share my videos if you might think people you know will like this content. So thanks to all of you, and I'm gonna take the car out and show you the workplace I used to work on my cars at, but that kinda died out, so yeah. Cold start in 3, 2, 1. So welcome at the old workshop. Well, this is a place I used to work on my cars on. It's at the scrapyard. Me and actually now the owner of the scrapyard. We've been friends for a long time, but kinda started taking our own ways, and well, at some point I decided to stop working here on my car, at least as much as I used to do. I try to do most of my things now in my really small garage. Well, especially in contrary to the place I had here. But yeah, it went like that. Also because, well, they always put the place full of rubbish, and it's always in the way, and it's hard to get the car in and out, and it's a long road and a hard road to drive, especially with a lowered car. And well, that was that. And well, he used to work on cars with me, but he's now more managing a business, the scrapyard business, and I'm trying to work on my own stuff, so that's why we parted. But from time to time I still come here to check in on him, how it's going, and well, look for stuff I can use. So this is a place where I spend a lot of time, or at least have spent a lot of time. In my older videos you can see that I did a few projects here, somewhere outside, which I will show you. I tried to do my first white body kit I wanted to make myself here. That really didn't work out. As you can see in past videos of me, I did I think 6-part series about making my own white body kit, but that didn't work out, so I went with the Optic Works. Yeah, all of that stuff. But let me take you outside, show a little here, and yeah, watch where I walk because it's full of rubbish. So this is it, and sometimes they have some scrap cars here which I take parts of, because right now I'm looking for the rear muffler for my car to customize to make it MOT conform, and well, yeah, so that's what I'm here for. I'm gonna take a look around, I'm gonna put you guys aside, and I will see you in a few minutes.
You don't wanna fuck with me, don't wanna test your luck with me, cause if you try to fuck with me, I'll take all your body parts to a fucking graveyard. 6 feet under.
Well, they do not allow me to film behind that gate, so I'm not going to do that. Had a little search and didn't really find what I was looking for, so I'm gonna pack my things up here and move back to my own garage. So, back in the garage, Coppa loss. Well, me being still a small, really small channel, will it affect us? Well, any channel can risk up to a $42,000 fine. That's what I read. Some flags came up when I saw a video and it said you're not even safe when you say it's not compliant for children. So, me thinking I make car content, cars are not for children, children being kids below the age of 13 by US laws. Well, it might turn out it doesn't work that way when you make a thumbnail which might be appealing to children with something like toys or a cartoon in it or some that appeals to children. Even when you're telling YouTube your content is not made for children, they may pick it up as being for children just by the thumbnail or by something in the title or a piece of a cartoon you use inside of your videos. Like I sometimes use a time card from SpongeBob, which is a cartoon, and that can be picked up as trying to get children to watch your videos. So from what I hear and read, that might also get you into that $42,000 fine when you put your video wrong, when you say it's not compliant for children but it is compliant for children. You should say it is compliant for children. And YouTube has put an algorithm on this for seeing if your videos are for children or not. This does not work 100% fine, so you should put it yourself, because when YouTube gets it wrong, it's not their liability, it's still yours. You made the content, that's what they say. It's you that made the content, so you should make sure children don't click on it. Stupid example, this is I thought from DDE, Daily Driven Exotics. When they were in Japan, they went karting dressed as characters from Mario Kart. Well, that thumbnail, and I don't know if there was anything about Mario Kart in the title, but just that thumbnail and they're dressed up as children's gaming characters might get them in trouble for that. Just as an example, I'm not sure about this, but this is the way I feel after what I found out lately. So will it affect car content channels in a certain way? Depends on what you do. There are channels out there which are pretty much kids friendly. Like I think the Stratman is very kids friendly channel. I read about it a lot from parents saying they without a problem can let their children watch the channel without having to be scared about anything. Basically, it's all pretty child friendly. My channel, I try to keep anything as kids friendly as possible, so I don't know if there will be a problem there. When I told you the SpongeBob time cards may be picked up by it. I think the Halloween decoration video might be one that could picked up as wrong, because I stated it not liable for children, but they may find it is liable for children. I don't feel like getting a $42,000 fine, so but that's a maximum. I don't know what I will do about it. We'll see what it does. But unfortunately, there isn't really anyone talking about the car channels. I see a lot of things about cartoon channels and even gaming channels. Yeah, that's something kids can get drawn into. Also, in the thumbnails, they talk about using bright coloring and funny pictures that could draw in children. Well, we don't make these thumbnails like that to draw in children, but a bright, funny thumbnail gets in most of the people, and that's about it. We don't target children, but the Coppa might interpret it as us trying to get children as an audience, even if we're not targeting them. But yeah, I hope this will clear out a lot when we're getting closer to the new year, because I thought the new rules were from January 1st, so we'll see about that. I was gonna be decorating the car for Christmas in a video, so I don't know how I'm gonna do that. Will it be a video that is compliant to children or not, or how I'm gonna do that? So there's a lot of questions, and actually nobody really knows the answer. I just try to say everyone in the car community and video community who makes videos about cars, be careful about it, be a bit mindful, and I hope nobody gets fined when doing something a little bit wrong. I hope they give us that at least. But yeah, what I know so far, even me being a very small channel, still in his kid's shoes, no pun intended, I think about this because I really don't want to get a fine, and I still want to make the content I want to make. So we'll see how it goes, and when I get a fine, well, I can at least share it with you guys. But yeah, got everything back in the garage now. Car is in. Put this one on top. Don't really mind about the paint. Just to get the camera a bit raised up so I don't have to talk down to you. That's no fun. Yeah, guys, I showed you my old workplace where I used to go and do stuff on my cars. It's a scrapyard. I couldn't show you everything, and I don't travel there as much as I used to do. I used to be there every single day, almost every single day. Well, not anymore, really. I still have some stuff in storage there. I got 3 engines there, a VR6, the 2.8, a 2 liter, and a spare 1.8 like that's in my Golf right now. But maybe I'll make some content or do a project back there when everything clears up a little bit, or the place cleans up a little bit. But we'll see about that. So if you wanna see how it goes and join the process with me, be sure to go ahead and subscribe. And as always, if you like this video, be sure to leave a like, and I will see you in the next video. For now, I'm out.